So we are welcoming our second company we are going to have the interview today is from Guangzhou Longchuang Electronics Technology Company from Guangzhou Longchuang. Hello. Is Lilian waiting in our chatting room? Guangzhou Longchuang. If you're ready, you can say hi to me. Hello from Guangzhou Longchuang. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi, Jane.
Hi, this is Jane. Is this Lilian, right?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lilian. Hi, Lilian. Would you like to turn on your camera so I can see your face or video, please?
You cannot see my face?
Not yet. I can only hear your beautiful voice.
What's the problem?
Don't worry. I guess there are too many buttons, so take a little time to figure out the video. Take a little time. We are waiting for Longchuang to get online again. I guess some maybe the button in the chatting room have. Oh, I can see you. Hello, Lilian. Now you need to off your silence button. I cannot hear you, but I can see you now. There's no voice from you. Okay, great. That's great. Hi, Lilian. Morning. So good to see you. Hi, Lilian. So today is our factory tour on day 2, and so happy to have you with us today. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products, and if you have some preparation for what you have done with your products in some application form or project you would like to introduce, if you prepared, so you can go on in this 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're ready, you can go now. Thank you.
I'm ready. Thank you. Hello, Jane, and good friends. Welcome to my personal first live show. Thank you for your support. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Lilian from Guangzhou Chuang Electronic Technology Company. We are a LED power supply manufacturer established in 2009. Our logo is Luca. This is our logo.
Luca.
Can you see it?
Yes, no. Loca.
L-O-C-A. L-O-C-A. Loca. This is our logo. Yeah. First, there are various of AC to DC power supplies, like this one in our factory. This one. Speaking of this, I would like to recommend this best selling product with very good price. I'm different like others. Usually put the best in the end. So today I show you the most popular product to our factory at first. This one. There are many different sizes of this series. It's waterproof LED power supply in IP67.
IP67.
That means can underwater. Yeah, that means can put it underwater. Sometimes usually can underwater about 1 meter. Can be used for about 1 meter underwater. So you don't worry about in case of if rain splash the water. This one. This is a bigger watts. This one is 300 watts. You can check the laser label. Yeah, the stickers.
Label information.
Yes, water information on the labels.
Yeah.
On the label. Yeah. This is 600 watts. Big watts.
300. Wow, this is really.
Yes, the watt is more is bigger, so the size must be also big.
Yeah, 300 watts.
Yes. We also have 800 watt, same the size same as 600. From this series, we make this type from 15 to 800 watts. The input AC voltage from 100 to 100 to 240. Sorry.
Sorry.
So this is here. Here is input information.
Input AC.
Yeah.
100.
AC 100. Normally we actually this one can 100 to 240. That means it's a wide range
Yes.
for input voltage. Yeah. Output as this is constant voltage power supply, so the output voltage only 12 watt or 24 watt. 36 or 48 also can be made. So all of this style can be in 100% for watt when the input voltage at 230 30 voltage, the input voltage.
So the parameters of the AC/DC changer inverter is widely range covered.
Yeah, widely range. And the efficiency for each high efficiency for each one. If the output if the output DC voltage is only 12 watts, so the efficiency will be in 83%.
83%. Okay.
Yeah, 83%. If the
compared. Excuse me. I heard that the efficiency is around 83% is really high.
For 12 voltage. Yeah, for 12 voltage. If the DC output voltage is 24 voltage, 24, the efficiency will be in 85%.
85. Oh, so compared to the normal production in other country or in the markets, popular markets, what are the normal efficiency for 12 voltage or 24 compared to them?
Actually, the efficiency is similar with others, but the voltage, the watt, the power, the power, we also call it power. We are only made 100% full watt. Some factories maybe that the label is such as for example 300 watts, but if you test it only 18%.
Oh, 80%. Yes, I can see. So
that means it's 240 watt.
Yes, I can see. Because of in the energy fields that we have the common sense. If the voltage is greater, then the efficiency will increase with the voltage. Yes, and for the 12 voltage, you can achieve almost like around 83%. You are not only meet up the needs of the markets, but you are exceeding it. You're higher than that. That's really good.
Higher. Yes. For the and it's also waterproof.
Waterproof one.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can put it in
the highest IP is 68.
Oh, the highest IP 68.
Great. This product can put under the water. You also can use.
Yeah, I see. A quick question about the performance stability. the inverter, I'm sure that they can do. Or first is the warranty of each product.
Warranty is about 2 to 3 warranty periods.
Yes, yes, of a warranty guarantee, and the performance stability is stable, right? That's
Stable.
great. Would you like to introduce some application cases? Or where can I use this product?
This is for LED strips, or LED lighting outdoor.
LED lighting outdoor.
Yeah.
Have you done
So
some more projects?
And city view, or LED sign, advertising, light blocks, or the security and the protection monitor for CCTV, electronic applications also can use it.
So many application things you
It's
can do that.
very wide range for using.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah. And the next, I would like to introduce this one. It's ultra thin type. Ultra thin. One is LB series. Another one is LBC. One is
LEDC.
Yeah, LBC.
LBC. What does it mean?
This is just our model number.
Model number.
Yes. This LB model number is 60 watt. This one is LBC, also 60 watt. But this one, the input voltage is only single. Just 220. Yeah, this one can wide range is 100 to 2040. That means some countries such as America, their city input voltage is 110 voltage.
Yes, 110 in United States. Yes.
Yeah, China is only 220.
So your product can be used in different countries.
So this is a wide range. Yeah, great. This is only single range is only for China.
Great.
Yeah, it's 220.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so this means this one, when you use it in the voltage is 110. The watt is also 100% power. This one cannot. This one only 220. If you use it in 110, the power will be less. Okay. Cannot in 60. Maybe it's about 50.
50. Okay.
Yeah, 50.
So you got all the certification to allow you to sell the products overseas, like for United States. I think you got a ROS or the C.
Only the voltage input voltage 110 can use in America.
America, yeah. Yes. But you got the certification, the quarantine.
Certification is about only CE and ROS.
CE and ROS.
Includes EMC and LVD.
Yes, LVD. Okay, great. So what's the MOQ of your product?
For MOQ, I just introduced these two series. These are very popular products. So we usually make many stocks in our factory. For some water, maybe sometimes not very many stocks. So we usually give our customers 200 MOQ. 200 pieces. Yeah.
200 pieces.
Each model. So there one series we have many different watts. So each model.
I see.
Yeah.
The popular one
with bigger size.
Yes, bigger one, bigger size. The most popular one, you have a lot of products in stock. so they
Yeah.
can order whatever. And for other pieces, for other models, you need to samples or quotations at least 200 pieces.
Normally, we have enough stocks in our factory.
Oh, that's great. Have you done some very big deal in the past or big projects in the past? What's your main customer in the past they ordered from you?
Our good and big customer from Europe.
From Europe. That's great.
Yeah, from Europe.
Mhm.
They normally 1 month about 1 month about 10,000
10,000.
oh,
Mhm.
1,000 pieces of each model. One
Oh,
model.
for each model. Oh, for each model. Wow.
Yeah,
That's
each model, not a whole order. Only each model.
each model. So it's a really big quotation.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Okay, continue, please.
This is our third introduce the products. It's very popular. So today I only show you our popular set products.
Yeah. Okay. So the parameter for this third popular product, what are the highlights for this series?
Actually, this is only three types of products in our factory. Also, we have others, but now the time is limited, so I only show you these three series. Later, I can show you our produce line. May I?
Yeah.
Just a moment.
How big is your company or the area
It's
of the
about 2,000
2,000 square meters?
Square meters, yeah.
And so we are now heading to the factory now.
Yeah, this is it's a manufacturing.
Oh, I see.
The factory. This first produce line.
Oh, first produce line. You're located in Guangzhou, right?
Yeah, in Guangzhou, Panyu, near there's near Guangzhou South Railway Station.
Oh, wow. So many of my friends live there as well. Yeah. Good
Welcome
place.
you to visit our factory later.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I bet I will be there. It's a good place. Yeah. How many employees or workers there?
About 30. But now we have two stores. This is
store.
just one.
Oh, one store.
This is just one. Now this is
Packing.
our package. Yeah, our packing. I show you the waterproof.
You have the testing part, testing department.
Yes, QC and
QC.
test aging test.
Agent
Also
test.
have. Yeah, this is waterproof produce line.
Oh. Factory is clean and well organized.
Not very clean.
I guess yes.
This is our QC.
QC testing.
Test. This is testing machine.
Okay.
And here is laser.
Laser package.
Make the label. Yeah. Laser. For aging test. This is our aging test machine.
Oh, aging test.
No. No, it doesn't work.
Take your time. It's a 2,000, almost like a 2,000 square meters of the company, and the factories also have the production line, package, QC testing, and IP, the waterproof testing departments. So,
Yeah. And we have also have some new. This is this have some dimmable
Oh.
the voltage, the output
Oh,
voltage. Yeah.
same voltage, a different voltage. So.
Yeah, can adjust the voltage in different volts, the output voltage. Yeah. You can see here.
Okay, so the voltage adjustable.
Yeah, adjustable.
Right.
DC voltage. This one is our classic. It's
Classic
one.
one.
Yeah, classic one.
Is this still on the market? The classical one still in the market, right?
Yes.
I guess the
overseas
old one, traditional one. Yeah.
So I didn't recommend to you this one for
What's this?
cabinet. Yeah, it also power supply. All of our power supply in one function.
One function.
Actually,
yeah, the same function.
Same function, just a different shell.
Different shell, different model shape.
Yeah, different cover model shape.
Okay.
The function is all in same.
Thanks, Lilian. Anything else you want to add in this session?
I would like to know if I would like to make the same live show to our customer. So how can I recommend our email or WeChat or WhatsApp to them?
Your contact, okay. You can leave your contact number to our staff, Lightstrade. They will reach you, and we will put it below our comments. And if customer are interested in your products, they will contact you or us, and we will forward the quotation or inquiry to you. Don't worry about it.
Can I put our products on it?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
sure.
Thank you so much for your.
Thank you, Lilian. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for the introduction. It's brilliant. Thank you. Have a good day, and see you next time.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lilian.
Bye.
Bye.